we go again, another river stream crossing. Do we just love it, getting the wet feet again? Do we love it?
Yeah, we love it. Yeah.
Okay, we're loving it. All right, here we go. Now it's my turn. Are you happy? Are you happy?
I'm seriously
You're seriously happy?
thinking of going in there.
Okay then. We'll see. Watch the space. There's some more girls over there. It's a purely hiking day. And when you look at this one, absolutely amazing. Stunning day here in the Kaimais by Tauranga, New Zealand. Look at this. So when was the last time you've been hiking? Time to take some action.